Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on captions on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. If you prefer watching videos with subtitles or need captions for accessibility, this setting is really helpful and only takes a few clicks to enable. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps most of its visual and accessibility-related settings. After that, you'll be taken to a new section. Here, click on Accessibility Settings. This area gives you more control over how content appears while you're using Facebook. Next, look for the option called Video and Motion. Click on it to continue. This section includes settings related to how videos behave and display on your screen. Now, you should see an option labeled Always Show Captions. All you need to do here is turn this option on. Once it's enabled, Facebook will automatically display captions on videos whenever they are available. That's it. From now on, captions will show up by default, making it easier to follow along with videos, even when your sound is off or if you're in a quiet environment. If you ever want to turn captions off, just come back to the same setting and disable the option. And that's how you enable captions on Facebook using your PC. Quick, simple, and very useful.